Text posts, video posts, carousel posts, document posts, poll posts, how to post on LinkedIn. This is what this video is all about. I'm going to show you all sorts of posts LinkedIn has at this moment. I'm also going to show you the examples of the posts that I've done previously so that you can understand more or less how this works, because different posts have different potential reach. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you how you can schedule your posts going forward, because this feature helps you to batch posts so you don't have to sit and write every single post every single day. So it's easier on you. If you find this video helpful, please go smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. LinkedIn has a bunch of post options right now. So let's start with a simple one called text posts. To create a text post, you go to your LinkedIn and go to your LinkedIn homepage. So this is not your LinkedIn profile page. And once you're here, you're going to start a post and basically write the post itself. The post is here. LinkedIn right now is not actively pushing written posts like this one because they are fairly simple, and it's very hard to engage people with this specific type of the post. Next post type is called poll posts. To create a poll post, you go to LinkedIn again, you close this one from before, type in, go here, click plus, and then you will find create a poll, and this is when you can ask your question. So you can ask, what's your favorite color, question mark, and then you can give them option red, blue, and have another option. It's a good few options. You can add them here. You can only have a bunch of options, and then you can choose a poll duration: 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks. Basically, these posts are useful in order to provide you some engagement. These posts can be used as lead generation posts as well, because you can ask certain questions like, oh, are you looking for clients, for example? Are you looking for this? Or you can get people from your vicinity, like your first and second degree connections, to reply to these. And after people reply to these, you will see their responses, and then you can go and reach them out. The next type of the post is called video posts. LinkedIn right now is not super actively pushing video posts. This is something that can be done on LinkedIn going forward. It has the potential to grow that way. To create a video post, you would go start a post again, click more, and basically add media file, and then you would pick a video. So I have this video from before. I'm going to add it. This video is only 32 seconds long, and basically I'm uploading this video right now. Clicking next, and this video is up there, and then I can share my thoughts on this video, post, and leave it as is and go post it once again. LinkedIn, as I said, is not super pushing this video format right now, but videos are a great way to create another touch point with your ideal clients. Basically show people that you're out there. Also, as of now, LinkedIn has a video length limitation. You cannot upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. So you also keep that in mind. Next type of post is called image posts. Image posts can generate some traction, so they are good to be used, and to create them is also very similar to what we've done with the video right now. So you go create a post once again, and then you can add media files here, and you can include a bunch of photos like that, and they will get uploaded to your post. You click next, and there you have it. This is your image posts. Last but not least is the document posts. This is a very catchy LinkedIn type of post because it tends to get a lot more impressions. It tends to get a lot more activity from other people. For some reason, people love documents, and more specifically, they love carousel documents. So how to create this document post? Click start a post, and I have the stuff from before, and now I'm going to add a document. That's exactly what I'm looking to do, and you can see that it's a PDF thing, so you have to choose a file. And then I've got a bunch of PDFs here, so I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to click done. We'll give it a moment for the loading the preview. I also suggest you create the post here, and basically there you have it, the document with a bunch of slides. This is the typical carousel post on LinkedIn, and then you can of course post it afterwards. Remember, every time you create a post on LinkedIn, don't forget to use the hashtag. So in my case, I can say B2B, I can say B2B sales, I can say LinkedIn marketing. Yours will be different, depending on the niche that you operate in, but don't forget to use 2 or 3 are more than enough. that's good to go. Now, I promised you a very special thing. I promised you to show you the post that I created in the past. I want to show you, to illustrate this post to you so that you understand how much traction these posts get. To do that, I'm going to go into my account on LinkedIn. I'm going to go all the way down to the section of activity, and I'm going to click show all posts right here. And I'm just going to illustrate you how much traction do these posts get. So this is a typical image post. So I had it uploaded 12 hours ago approximately, and I had a bunch of people liking it. I got like 261 impressions, which is not a crazy amount, but it's still good enough. 261 persons saw this post, so it's pretty good. This is a video post that I had posted 1 day ago, and if you can click more here, you'll see that it has quite a lot of additional information as a written post. So it's a written post plus a video. It had almost 300 impressions, couple likes here, 2 comments. Now there's this simple post that is a written post. This is the first post that we were observing in this video. As you can see, very, very basic post written in a nice catchy framework, and it got approximately 300 impressions. That's the way it got on LinkedIn. Now, this is the carousel post. I just want to show you the difference. See this? It almost is at 9,500 right now impressions. So it's crazy, much higher numbers. This is a catchy topic, so it was able to catch up. It went, I don't want to say viral, but semi, kind of a little bit. It got some traction. The post looks like this again, so it's a proper post. I tagged some of the tools here, and what happened is some of these guys, they actually replied. I got a reply from Hootsuite. They said, thanks for mentioning us. And I got a reply from Ducks Soup. Anytime somebody that you mention, someone with much higher, bigger accounts, actually replies to your post on LinkedIn, and they kind of give you some additional clout in a way, and LinkedIn considers this to be a great show of respect, basically, to the stuff you created, and pushes your content out further. So when you tag somebody or a company, you have to make sure that they will actually reciprocate and let you know that they are out there, because that really helps to the impressions, and this post is getting shared, it's getting likes, so it's really good, really catchy post. This is a bunch of images post again, so image post. This is more of a personal stuff, so this is something that I do with my content marketing on LinkedIn. 800 impressions almost, a couple of likes, and pretty good results, because you want to show your personal side on LinkedIn as well. One bonus that I promised to you is to show you how to schedule a post. So there's a whole bunch of tools out there that you have to pay for in order to access the scheduling capability for LinkedIn. You don't need to pay for any of the tools, okay? This stuff is free. It's available on LinkedIn. It's not super nice. It's not super fancy, but it does the work. How to do this? You go to LinkedIn homepage, and then you click start a post. You create a post, and then you've got this little button down below here. It says schedule for later, and then you're going to click it, and here you pick the date, and here you pick the time, and you can also view your scheduled posts. So if I click here, I've got a couple of scheduled posts here, and you can see where exactly what time they're scheduled in and how they operate. I recommend that you've got something like this, then like a calendar of posts that you can use. So I've got like these days of the week, I've got the dates, and anytime it's green, it means the post has been scheduled. So that way I track every single post that I create, and I have it uploaded, and it looks nice and very, very simple. No fancy setup. Again, you don't need to purchase any of the tools. It's very, very simple. So there you have it. We'll look through the text posts, poll posts, video posts, image posts, and document posts. The idea is that you use these posts interchangeably, depending on your marketing goals and depending on your objectives and your capacity, of course. I suggest you use them all interchangeably based on the requirements that you are currently looking after, the results you're looking to achieve. So in my case, I might have a Monday post. I will have a carousel for awareness purposes, so I have more reach. Then I have a case study post where I share my case studies with my existing clients, what sort of results we've achieved, what sort of struggles we had. Then I can share a written post, talk about some challenge that my potential clients have, their problems they're facing. Then I can have a video just to illustrate once again some problems, but the video is a bit of a different format. So people see my face, and they there's another touch point. So they become more and more familiar with myself. So when it comes for me to kind of sell them something, it's a lot easier on my end because they've been observing me for so long. Poll posts are something you can try using. They might not work as well for the vast majority of people, but they can work for your specific niche. So check it out, see if that operates, create a poll, see if you get any people that reply to you, and then you can start the conversations as well. Last but not least, I suggest you create the entire week of posts and schedule in them, because that way you are more focused on creating posts. You batch this time, you create the post for an entire week, so you don't have to think about the stuff anymore. It takes a while for you, for our brain, to switch from, say, work to creating content for LinkedIn and scheduling the stuff. And if you need any help with getting your clients, generating clients for your agency or business, you need some help for content creation, reach out to me. Let's have a chat. I'll be there to help you out. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, the very last thing. If you like this video, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, leave a comment. Stuff really helps me to go forward. Makes me feel good.